Hello? Well, hello, long time no see. It's been a while, so I'm gonna get right into it today. My nails have been growing like crazy, so I thought that I would do a natural tutorial for a change. I've been doing things a little bit different lately, starting with my cuticle remover. I've been trying a few different ones, and today I'll be using the CND Cuticle Away. This is a big old bottle at a great price, and it works amazing. I'm just applying it to the skin around my nails as usual, letting it sit for a moment, and instead of using a cuticle pusher tool, I will be using a wooden stick to push my cuticles back. I've been a bit more gentle with my cuticles lately, and it's completely changed how often I have to even do cuticle work. As usual, I am gently trimming away all of the dead skin. And then I'm moving on to filing the sides of my nails, and I'm only filing the sides for now because I actually like to shape my natural nails after I've applied my base. I'll explain why in a second, but before I do that, I'm wiping off any excess oil from my nails with my CND Nail Surface Cleanser. I'm applying my Gelish dehydrator and acid-free primer, as well as a thin coat of my Glam peel-off base. Before I apply and cure my base, I wanted to show you these C-curve shaping rods. These are typically used to create a perfect C-curve when working with acrylic, but I use them to straighten out my natural nails. When my nails grow out and I apply gel polish and cure, the C-curve is almost too strong and the sides of my nails curve inwards, which kind of distorts the shape that I'm going for. So what I do to spread the corners out is place one of these rods under my tip while I'm curing my nail. So I'm applying a thin layer of my peel off base coat. I'm placing the shaping rod under my nail and flash curing each nail to lock in the shape. And then I do a full cure in my regular LED lamp for 45 seconds at the very end. Once my base is cured, I just wipe off the sticky layer and move on to shaping with a gentle nail file. I prefer to do this step after I've applied my base coat because I get a better idea of what my shape is looking like after the base. And it adds a little bit of strength to my nails, which makes shaping a lot easier. I'm just going for a simple oval shape today, nothing crazy. I'll be using a rubber base today by the brand In.Hype, and this is in the shade Delicate Pink. I discovered this brand on Amazon at the start of the year, and I've been testing out their products off camera since. So far, I have been absolutely loving everything that I've tried. I think I have like half their collection. You'll be seeing me use more of their products in future videos, but I really, really love their rubber bases as well as their builder in a bottle. Their elastic base is a thicker viscosity base gel. It is very flexible, it's smooths out any unevenness or dents that you may have on the surface of your nails, and it's perfect for anybody that has thin, weak, brittle nails that are prone to cracks. It's a very similar concept to the Gelish structure gel in the bottle that I've done numerous videos on in the past. I always get asked how I manage to grow out my natural nails. Part of it is that my nails grow like crazy due to my diet and supplementation, but the other factor is that I'm always wearing something like this to protect my nails as they grow out. Wearing a structure gel, a rubber base, or even just a gel polish will help protect your natural nails from cracks and breakage as they grow out. The In.Hype Rubber Base comes in a bunch of different shades, but this is my favorite because it's that perfect cool toned pink that I'm always on the hunt for. I applied 2 coats of it, and I cured each coat in my LED lamp for 45 seconds. I actually really enjoy wearing this shade on its own, but I wanted to add a little extra something, so we're going to play around with some reflective glitter gel polishes. I'm wiping off the sticky layer with a little bit of alcohol before showing you my little collection here. When I first dipped my toes into the reflective glitter gels, I picked up this Aimeili set, which comes with 12 different shades. The bottles are a little bit on the smaller side. I was really only on the hunt for like a nice icy white or a silver shade, but I thought, what the hell, let me just get this whole set for swatches. So this is what they look like swatched with just regular lighting. And this is what they look like with flash. And the way they look with flash is what makes them so popular. I will say it took like 4 coats to get them to this opacity. So for that reason, I don't think they're as good as the Kiara Sky ones, which are a little bit more expensive, but I would use the Aimeili ones, I guess, as like a topper, or if you have the patience to build them up to say 4 coats, I would recommend getting these, but you have to also keep in mind that your nails are going to look a little bit thicker if you build them all the way up to 4 coats and then finish off with a top coat. So just something to keep in mind. I isolated 2 of the silvery shades from that set and I placed them next to the other silver ones that I own for comparison. Like I said, the Aimeili ones are not as pigmented and require several coats to build up. The glitters are a bit smaller and more scattered. The random one I found on Amazon is pretty similar to the Aimeili ones, and the Kiara Sky Diamond Effects ones are much more opaque, but also on the thicker side. So what I'm gonna do is mix the Aimeili one in the shade 247 with Kiara Sky Moondust to kind of thin it out a little bit and get the silver shade that I'm looking for. I'm going to use the nail art brush on the right to apply the glitter gel polish and the brush on the left to do some cleanup if I need to. So I don't remember if I already said this, but I'm basically just going to do an outline French tip using the reflective glitter. So as the name states, I'm just outlining my tip and painting a smile line using the glitter. I flash cured each nail before moving on to the next, and then at the very end I gave all of my nails a full cure in my LED lamp for 45 seconds. I think this would look cute with pretty much any glitter shade. I just went with the silver because I think it looks really nice with the cool toned pink. You could also fill your French tip in completely and not just stick with like the outline, but I really like the outline. I think it's different. I think it looks very dainty and delicate, and I'm gonna stop talking for a bit and let you enjoy this process. Next, I'm gonna apply a generous layer of top coat, and I'm gonna be using the In.Hype Rubber Top today. It's really thick, which makes it perfect for encapsulating glitter and nail art. Once the first layer is on, I sharpen up the sides of the nails again, and I actually ended up doing a second layer of top coat, curing it and finishing off with my cuticle oil. So that completes this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I love how it turned out. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done a natural nail tutorial. I think I'm probably gonna do another one after this because I'm still growing out my natural nails as I'm recording this voiceover. So let me know what you want to see next. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, everything that I used will be listed in the description box below. I'm on TikTok and Instagram if you don't already follow me there. Thank you guys for patiently waiting for another video. Thank you for subscribing, staying subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, love you, bye.